you, Trowbridge families, and thank you for visiting our virtual booth. Trowbridge School of Great Lakes Studies, a great place on a great lake. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some of our families and students. We are here with Lincoln, his dog Max, his sister Penny, and his mother. And you were wondering, why did you choose Trowbridge for Lincoln?
Well, we were looking at a school in the neighborhood, and we looked at the three that were kind of near us, and then really liked a lot of the things that we saw on Trowbridge's website. My husband is a scientist, and Lincoln has always been really interested in science stuff, so we liked all the mentions of water science and things like that. So we visited right before we were supposed to pick, the three schools. We came and visited, and we actually went into Miss LeCapitan's class, and we met her. Do you remember meeting her?
And I was actually pretty shy.
Yeah, and I liked when I walked in. The room was really bright, warm, welcoming. The thing that I liked when we walked in, the class was not huge, and so that was really great. And then when Lincoln went, I think he only had like 15 students in his class, so it felt like we knew all the kids. He knew all the kids really well, and there was a lot of focus.
Yeah,
like Miss LeCapitan was able to work with all of them.
Yeah,
a lot, and the same thing once he moved into kindergarten.
So, Lincoln, what's your favorite part about Trowbridge?
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part of school is learning how to help the world.
Learning how to help the world. You like the environmental stuff, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I also really love science.
I am here with Anaya Gilbert, the president of our student council, and also one of the MLK writing contest winners. And Anaya, we're here because I would like for you to share what you feel makes Trowbridge a special place and a good school.
For me, it's a lot of things, but the main part is how the school is open-minded and they take the students' ideas and they actually listen to them. Whereas at other schools, they might not do the same thing, in my opinion. That's how I feel about it.
So, Anaya, where are you going to high school?
I am going to Reagan.
All right, fantastic. I just saw that you got accepted into there, so congratulations. I know that's where you wanted to go. And thank you for being our student council president and all that you do to make Trowbridge great.
Hello, my name is Valerie Ropel, and I am a proud Trowbridge parent. But when we hear Trowbridge, we don't think school. We think family. From my little sister, my two oldest boys, to my youngest son with special needs, to my stepchildren and their siblings, Trowbridge has always been a tradition for us. Through the children's years at Trowbridge, my sister, my children have all made lifelong friends with classmates, as well as networking connections with staff. Trowbridge showed us that no child is left out. It's the sense of family for me.